Carpet cleaners are a bit thin on the ground in Kirk Sandal, but no need to worry. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners are very close by. We are very local, in fact. We come from Bentley, which is just up the road from you, and after 25 years of carpet cleaning in Kirk Sandal and the surrounding area, you're most likely to have seen our carpet cleaning van parked outside someone's house, or at the very least seen our Facebook or Instagram pages. They're full of reviews and photos showing off our carpet cleaning skills. Well, professional carpet cleaning, that's a phrase that's bandied about, much like other trades. Most people would call themselves a professional carpet cleaning company. There's no law about that. It could just mean they're cleaning carpets for a living. That's fair enough. But it tells you nothing about how good they are at carpet cleaning. So what does Doncaster Carpet Cleaners call professional carpet cleaning? Well, we've been cleaning carpets in and around Kirk Sandal for around a quarter of a century, that's for sure. But are we any good as carpet cleaners? We think we are. Of course we do. But lucky for our clients in Kirk Sandal, we can prove that we are first-class carpet cleaning company. We are advanced members of the National Carpet Cleaners Association, for example. Now this is the governing body in terms of carpet cleaning in the UK. To become a member, a full training course must be completed and exams taken. After this, the carpet cleaner goes away and must return in a certain time frame to take the specialist stain removing course. This must be passed, and after that the carpet cleaner is usually extended an invitation to become a member. However, there is an annual requirement to show ongoing training and insurance, so clients can be pretty sure they're getting a good, well-trained carpet cleaner. We're also WallSafe approved, so we can offer WallSafe carpet cleaning here in Kirk Sandal. This means that we know exactly what we're doing when we're cleaning wall carpets. It's very, very important. If not, the wall can be damaged forever in just a few short minutes. But you don't need to worry about that. Like I say, Doncaster Carpet Cleaners are WallSafe approved service providers in Kirk Sandal, and you're in safe hands. If that's not enough, we are actually IRCRC approved firm. Actually the only approved firm in the IRCRC in South Yorkshire. So give us a call anytime. Carpet Cleaners in Kirk Sandal.